Hey friends, it's Samara here with April's 2026 Shots of Life featuring 49 Market Artful Moments. So let's check this out. You will get this really adorable paper. Look at that. I absolutely love it. And then also these embellishments come in the Shots of Life kit. So all I'm going to do today is just use just these pieces. So first of all, we're just going to trim this paper down to two 8x6s, which works out so perfectly. It just trims off that little brown section. So now I'm just going to cut each of those in half, and then we have our 2 pages. And then I have this little brown strip for some embellishments or other little things. So last month I went on a trip with some girlfriends. We went on a scrapbook cruise, and this is my friend and I in Cabo San Lucas, where we went on an excursion. So I thought that these pictures were perfect for this little layout. So I'm just going to go ahead and position my photos, and it will be something like this. And then once we get that set up, then we will start adding in our embellishments as well as some other little fun things. So I love that. It's like a little reverse image. That is the cutaway strip there, that little 12-inch ruler up there. Isn't that cute? I will save that and use that on another project. So these embellishments come from the foiled die cuts. Again, they come from the Shots of Life. I absolutely love them. That little tassel was really cute. Unfortunately, it doesn't really show up too much on the layout. But I love these. They're either acetate or vellum. So just playing around, and we're going to commit these photos down. And then we'll do the exact opposite on the other page. So I love the vibrancy of Mexico, and I thought that this paper was absolutely perfect to showcase this little adventure that my girlfriend and I took. I am going to take my little notebook page, oh my gosh, what do you call that? Hole punch, not hole punch, paper punch, and we're just going to trim out these little spiral notebook things. Or maybe that's not a spiral notebook. I don't know, whatever it is. You see what it is. So again, I've been really trying to use my punches, really getting my money's worth out of them. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut a full 12x12 strip, and then I will cut it in half and use it on the layout. And something else that I've been doing is after I punch the paper, is I go back through and I kind of trim out those little edges so that it just has like an uneven feel to it. You'll see what I mean in just a minute. So I'm just going to go through and just kind of like very wavy cut that off, so you can see what I'm talking about there. And then I'll do the other side, and I just love it. I feel like it looks like it was torn out of a notebook. So we'll drop that into place on both sides of the layout. I thought about putting it at the bottom, but I did not like the way that it looked there. All right, so that's fun. And now we are going to go in and add some embellishments. So again, all these embellishments come from the foiled acetate pack if you were looking to purchase these on your own, but they also come in the Shots of Life. You get an assortment. Your assortment might vary. So love those little tassels. You can see that above my head there's like string lights and little banners and things. It was really, really pretty. And now I'm just going to go in with some of those vellum pieces. We've got the little butterflies and leaves and all sorts of good things. We've got some more of that acetate. Dream in color. I love that. A little label there. I love those little labels. So I'm just taking my assortment there and I'm just kind of dropping things in and seeing how they look. I'm loving these little flowers, so of course we're going to use those. And I love how that little label is clear, and so the flower sticks out from behind. So you can see I'm just building up both sides of the layout. I'm going to notch that just a little bit so that it will kind of fit in that photo a little bit better. There we go. And adding some of those little vellum leaves. And then there's a little acetate leaf as well. I love the texture, mixing the texture. We have the paper texture, we've got the vellum, we've got the acetate, and then also a little bit of that gold foiling on some of those embellishments. And it really just adds a lot of texture, and I feel like it shows a lot of movement on the page. All right, so I'm pretty happy with that. So now we'll add in some of those additional little embellishments. We've got the little butterflies, but before we do all that, we're just going to take the little glue pen here and just drop in a little bit of glue. And good thing, the glue dries clear. So perfect. My friend and I, every opportunity that we had to take some fun photos, we were there for it. That's the best part about traveling with a girlfriend, is that they don't complain about the photo opportunities. All right, I'm really happy with that side. And now on the other side, we're just going to carefully drop in just a little tiny bit of glue. You don't need a whole lot. Those pink leaves are so, so cute. I love them. All right, dropping in that Dream in Color, that little banner goes perfectly up there. And I loved this title, Noteworthy. I love like just the collage feel. I feel like this this page looks like it would be perfect in a like in a travel journal. So I did fold that butterfly in half so that one of the leaves kind of stuck up a little bit. Once it's in the album, it will flatten out, and that is totally okay. Adding that little Noteworthy vellum title there. And then we're done. We're just about done here, right? Or we are done. I will add a little bit of journaling separately.